Right guys, the cake has cooled down now. I kept it in the fridge, cling filmed. With that syrup it remained moist. Voila, little cake. I'll remove that lemon pip here. Beautiful. So let's cut it in 3. Okay, we're gonna remove the top. Up. And then this one in 2. There. Right, time for the filling now. So I've made this beautiful lemon curd. On previous video you can find it. Very versatile curd and it's delicious, so creamy. So now we're gonna fill up our cake with it. Right, let's do it. This one. There you go. And the top bit. So guys, I'm gonna let it set again in the fridge, not for too long, and then we're gonna glaze it. Okay, there you go. So now it's nice and cold. Gonna get my clear glaze. So this is an apricot glazed nappage. Let's glaze that bad boy. So we glaze it like that all around. Lovely. Up. I got some pearl sugar here. Or nibbed sugar. I'm gonna stick it like that all around. The top. And voila. There you go. Beautiful lemon cake. It's nice and shiny. Those little sugar pearls gonna give a little crunch. Let's cut a slice. There you go. Beautiful little lemon cake. I'm telling you, it's really nice. The sponge is moist. The creamy lemon curd. Well, I'm gonna have to go for it, aren't I? Crunch. I got nothing to say. I hope you'll be able to make it because you have the sourness of the lemon still in the curd, and and the sponge is so lovely. Enjoy, guys.